Check it out, everyone. I went down to Domino's today and I got their new cheeseburger pizza. One of two new pizzas that Domino's has introduced. The other one is a chicken taco pizza, I believe. And I opted for the cheeseburger pizza as I really love cheeseburger and I really love pizza. So let's get into this and give it a try and see just how good is this new pizza from Domino's. Let's see if we can find a nice skinny piece here. Wow, it's really quite cheesy, y'all. Look at that. Wow. And the toppings are quite plentiful. I see there's it appears to be either tomato or ketchup on here, and there's meat. There's onion right there, you can see on the edge of the crust. So let's give this a taste. Man, is that delicious. Man, I'm not sure what the sauce is on here. I'll have to do a little research and see what it is Domino's is using there. It's not your typical marinara that you'd have in a regular pizza, though. Let's go in for another bite. Got some onion on that one. It's pretty hefty on the toppings. I opted for the hand-tossed crust because that's my favorite from Domino's. This pizza here was $12.99 plus tax. It came up to $13.90. And, oh man. That is some good stuff, y'all. I cannot even front. That is delicious. Let's go for another bite. Man, that hand-tossed crust is just delicious right here on the edge. Man, that just makes it right there. I'm not even kidding. And there's some onion on this piece here. I'm about to take a bite into that, and we'll see just how that disperses the flavor. That is some good stuff, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Wow. I already am a pretty good fan of Domino's. As of late, their pizzas have been right on point. They've been really good. I was just outside of Mason City when I ordered this. I called on the phone and ordered it. By the time I got there, which was about 10, 12 minutes later, it was ready. I walked in the door, picked it right up, and out the door I went with it and come right home. Now let's have another piece here. I'll take a couple bites here and I'll give you my final thoughts on this before we give it a rating. Here's another bite. Delicious. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Definitely worth the money, y'all. If you get a chance, I'd definitely recommend to go out and give this one a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. The only thing that could have made this pizza probably better would be as if they would have put some pickles on it. I know pickles kind of complete the cheeseburger scenario. These little red spots on here are kind of like a ketchup. It's not tomato. I'm not getting tomato from that texture. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'll have one more bite here, and then I'm going to give my rating. Good stuff. Man. Yo. This one's going to get a straight on 5 all day long. Like I said, the only thing that could have made this any better would have been to have pickles on it. And maybe in due time, Domino's will implement it. Then again, maybe not. You never know. Look at that crust. It's just beautiful. It's got a lovely flavor to it. And the toppings, they are quite plentiful. So yeah. There you have it, everybody. That's my review, and I'm sticking to it. Hopefully we get a chance to review their other new pizza as well. But for now, we're going to work on this one. And there you have it, everybody. thanks for watching. Thanks for coming and visiting our channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Check out our playlist for many more videos like this. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, consider becoming a subscriber. We upload quite frequently, and we do support all YouTubers that support our channel. And we will definitely visit your channel and watch your videos and give you a like, a thumbs up, and we'll leave a comment. So there you have it, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. And we'll talk to y'all very soon in the next video. Peace.